Hey, Kimo, just wanted to say we're very proud of you. Congratulations on your great win on Philippine Idol, and much success in the future from the champs, Jonas Sultan, Sherwin and Kahas, Olympic bronze medalist Amir Marshall.
Congrats!
Congrats!
Let's go!
Woo! From Viva Las Vegas! Woo!
Philippines!
Hey, Kimo, just wanted to say we're very proud of you. Congratulations on your great win on Philippine Idol, and much success in the future from the champs, Jonas Sultan, Sherwin and Kahas, Olympic bronze medalist Amir Marshall.
Congrats!
Congrats!
Let's go!
Woo! From Viva Las Vegas! Woo!
Philippines!
So yan nga po, napanood po ninyo ha. Ganyan po ang uri ng pagsuporta meron dito sa atin pong community. Of course, nakita nyo po MP Promotions President Sir Sean Gibbons leading the congratulatory message to newly crowned Idol Philippines Season 2 Grand Winner Kimo Gumatay. Siyempre kasama nyo dyan, kasama ni Sir Sean dyan, kilala nyo na Champ Jerwin ang Kahas, Champ Amir Marshall, si Champ Jonas Sultan, mga kaibigan. And nako, sorry to say, no, mag-iiyakan na naman ng mga lamok dyan, mga kaibigan. Ano lang, maikling background lang. Si Ma'am Valerie, yung asawa ni Sir Sean, noon pa, naririnig na niya si Kimo kasi sa, ayan, nagduduet sila na misis ko, may mga gigs kami, tugtog nila ni Super Sam, kasi musician din yun eh. So, noon pa mang silently supporting itong si Kimo Gumatay, and natuwa sila ng nandito nga sa Idol Philippines si Kimo, and Sir Sean was so happy na nanalo nga ito si Kimo, at tinawagan niya ako kanina asking kung ano yung tamang pronunciation nung pangalan ni Kimo. So, man, I mean, again, congratulations nga pala, Kimo Gumatay. Still, parang surreal pa rin, hindi pa rin kami makapaniwala. Kanina nga, kinausap ko si Kimo, parang hindi pa din daw nagsising in, mga idol. Well, I know he will be busy, mga idol. Sabi niya, next week pa siya lalabas ng ABS kasi marami pa daw siyang guesting sa mga ABS-CBN shows. And of course, mga kaibigan, congratulations din. And good job sa lahat po ng TTFY family. Pinatunayan yung muli na sobrang solido po kayo. Hindi lang ang TTFY, ngayon may mga kapatid tayo sa TUC family. Grabe, mga idol. Kilala nyo na kung sino kayo. Yung iba ayaw magpabanggit ng pangalan. Kumbaga, helping Kimo on their own. Grabe po yung kanilang ininvest for this, mga idol. Talagang makita lang nila na magtagumpay si Kimo at ang ating community ay masaya na sila. Of course, Kimo has been with a lot of TTFY gatherings dito, especially yung mga nandito sila Bro Sherwin, sila Ma'am Hana. Kimo was never at any point naging madamot sa kanyang talento. Napakagalang, humble talaga, maski lagi sila sa bahay ni Sam, naggumagawa ng music, but men, napaka-deserving talaga ng bata na yan, at he works hard for him to improve more each and every time. Kaya sobrang deserving niya tong nangyari sa kanya, and we are very very happy for him. 10 na mga kasama namin sa TTFY yan, sila Ma'am Hana Ilas, si Bro Sherwin, yung mga nandito sa Pilipinas, sila Ate Queen, sila Sir RTC, ang kanyang may bahay, si Ma'am Kichi, sa TUC family, sila Sir Zion, Ma'am Madgat, sila Sir June Mendoza, and the rest, Sir RTC, and the rest of his church mates. Ay talagang maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. One at a time lang po, pag medyo hindi na si busy konti si Kimo, he will thank you guys directly, kahit virtually lang. Maraming salamat po, and again, thank you so much for helping our brother, our family Kimo. Maraming pong salamat, and alam ko nag-iiyakan kayo dyan, mga lamok. Iyak na. Peace.